You may have seen this on Merch by Amazon. When you look at a t-shirt design, there is an about this item, and there's a whole bunch of text here on best-selling designs. And you might wonder, where do these come from? So in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy method where you can add this stuff in, and you're not going to be copying from an existing seller. Instead, we're going to jump over to Chat GPT, and we'll get the AI to help us write product descriptions. So you've probably heard of Chat GPT, but you might be intimidated because when you log into Chat GPT, you just get this. There's not a whole lot here. Now you can create an image, you can get advice, you can make a plan, and there's a bunch of options here if you click the More button. But what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to upload a picture into Chat GPT. I'm going to hit this little plus button, and I'm going to add my t-shirt design. All right, so my t-shirt design is getting loaded, and now I'm going to ask Chat GPT, write a product description for a t-shirt listing. And I've made it a bit more advanced by asking it, the target audience is women who like funny shirts and medieval art. And now I'll click Go. Okay, and within seconds here, ChatGPT has returned a pretty good looking product description. Mona Sasa tea, Renaissance with a side of shade. Now you don't have to use all of this, but what you can do is just simply copy this right here, or you can just highlight the text and right click and you can copy as well. One of the things I really like about ChatGPT is if you don't like it, you can actually change it. You can continue your conversation with ChatGPT. So here, for example, I've typed in, please make this description shorter and use simpler words. And as you can see here, ChatGPT has truncated it down and made it quite a bit shorter. So I like to think of ChatGPT as like Google, except you can have a conversation with it and you can follow up with an additional question. If you want to do product tagging, you can do this as well. So I've started a new chat, I've uploaded my picture, and I've asked ChatGPT provide product tags for this design suitable for Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. And very quickly, ChatGPT returns general tags and style and theme tags. You can again copy these and you can plunk them into sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon. Make sure that you have these general tags and product descriptions in your listing. You don't have to use all of them, but it's a great way to brainstorm, especially if you're not inherently creative. Get the computer to do the heavy lifting for you. I hope you found this helpful. Here's another video on how you can have some fun in the world of print on demand.